PicoCTF challenge. Challenge we didn't say is gonna be called Operation Oni. So with Operation Oni, it says download disk image and find a key and log into the remote machine. Note if you are using its web shell, download and extract the image in temp. So we're gonna do that, and now your home directory. Additional challenges details will be launched after your challenge. So it says download disk image, and then it gives the remote machine to remote in, and this is the key file. Find a key and log into the remote server. So we don't have the key file, so we need to find it from this download disk image. So copy link, go right here, and yeah, that's from my previous challenge I was doing. So we gotta reconnect. So we're gonna wait until this reconnects, and then it says go to cd temp, and then from here on out we just do wget and then the name of the file. And then we're just gonna wait for this to load up, and then we're gonna go back right around Operation Oni. So this is the point of the challenge. So we're gonna wait for this. Get ready with a bunch of hurdles to jump. So from here on out, we'll just use a popular demand to unzip it, gzip-d, and then the name of the file. And then while that's unzipping, the next command we'll probably do is run mmls. So what is mmls? Disk image. So it's basically gonna tell us the formatting. So there's two files that we can get from right here. So what we could do is do fls-o and try checking this partition right here and see the content of this file, what it could contain, and then rewrite the name of the disk image. And then we see a bunch of stuff right here which don't seem that cool, so we just hop on to the next one. The next one we're gonna look at is probably this one right here, 20648, and maybe I might be doing an old one. That's what it seems like right now. And we check root 470, so we know roots in 470. We don't see nothing that interesting for us, so let's try running fls. Well, this time with 470, which is the location of root, and we see two files .ssh and ash history. So now what we want to do is look up what's in .ssh. So we'll just run this again, and this time we'll change the numbers to 3916. In 3916 we get two files, id, which is probably the key, and then .pub. So what we basically want to do is try seeing if we can run icat, and then we copy all this and then see what each one prints out. So copy that, and then we print out this last number, 2345. 2345 prints out a private key, and then 2346 prints out a public key, I'm assuming. So what do we want to do? So what we want to do for the key value is basically 235 is basically output it to, I guess, something that we can at least feel. So we're gonna copy it to this thing right here, and now id contains the content of 2345, which is all this. So now what we want to be able to do is type ls and see if we have the key, and we do right here. So next what we want to be able to do is give it permission. So when we give permissions to a key, we can't give it to super permission. So we'll give it chmod 600 id, and now that has the correct permissions, all because simply did just type ssh, but with the specific command by replacing key file with that file that we have right there. So we'll paste this, go back all the way right here to key file, delete this, copy that, put it right here, paste it, yes, and then we get bad permissions. So we didn't give it, I guess, correct permissions. So ls la. So read or read write. Oh, I didn't get the right. So chmod 600. That's what I did. Oh, I did plus chmod 600, and then ID, and then we write LSLA. It should only be in read. Yeah, it's only in read write. So now we run that command again, and this should work. So this is what I was meaning by you have to give it enough specific permission. So we write ls, and we get flag.txt. So now we run cat flag.txt, and we get the flag. So just grab it right here and paste it and post this video. So we'll go right there, and then Operation Oni, go all the way down, paste it, and that solves that challenge. So yeah, that's about it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.